Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at the fastest way to insert multiple images on a single page in Microsoft Word and align them perfectly side by side. To begin, open your Word document. If you are working with several wide pictures, you might want more room. Go to the Layout tab, click Orientation and choose Landscape. Next, go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and select this device. Grab the images you need and hit Insert. By default, Word locks pictures in line with your text, which makes them very frustrating to move. To fix this, select your first image, look for the Picture Format tab at the top, click Wrap Text, and select In Front of Text. This simple trick immediately unlocks the image. You can now click and drag it freely anywhere on the page. For a professional look, you want your images to match in size. With the picture selected, use the size boxes in the top right corner to set a specific height, such as 2.5 inches. If you want uniform shapes, you can also use the crop tool to set a standard aspect ratio, like 16:9. Apply the same wrap text setting and size adjustments to your other pictures. Once they are all unlocked, just drag them side by side. You can even hold the Control key to select all of your images at once to move and center them perfectly on your page. That is all it takes to build a clean photo layout in Word. Subscribe for more quick guides.